Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to put logo on your rendering photo. Okay, so let's say here I have this cabinet. So I have rendered this view. So in gallery I go. So this is the photo. So when I click on it, opening image editing. Okay, so this one is our new interface where if you want to put your logo, you may use this one. As for the watermark, click on it and you can put watermark here. Okay, so to reposition your watermark, you can just drag the logo, and if you want to adjust the size, you can use this button here and adjust the size. Okay, and then if you want to make it as for your some more transparency, okay, you can use this one. On the bottom here we have transparency, and you can put around with the value. Okay, and then this is for the angle. If you want to rotate your logo, angle. Okay, if you want to reset, you can just use reset button as for you to reset. Okay, and then if you want to save this edit, you can use on save beautification as. Okay, so you will see it is saving. So to check on the picture, you can go on the beautification category. So you will have the photo just now. Okay, so as usual, if you want to download, you can click on download here. Okay, and it will be in JPG format. Okay, this is how you change your logo.